Fonxi's strategic analysis on contracting relationships will discuss cooperation and collaboration between operating companies, contractors and subcontractors, and the impact on safety management. We're talking about industry sectors such as energy, transport and manufacturing, with risks both to workers and to users of these systems. This is an area where industrial organizations have seen large changes over the past 40 years. The original model of integrated production within a single firm has evolved towards one in which firms often specialize on their core business, a specific segment of the value chain. Contracting started with highly asymmetric relationships between the client, who defined all the phases of work and the related safety rules, and the contractor, who provided labor and followed the instructions given by the client. Over time, contractor companies have progressively built up their competencies in specialized areas, often becoming more skilled than their clients in their area of work. They've developed safety management systems and company cultures that bring safety to similar levels to operating companies. Contractor companies now contribute more than half the work hours on certain types of industrial facilities, in particular for more hazardous activities such as construction and maintenance. Today we see a coexistence between, on the one hand, cost-driven contracting in areas with low added value, where the organization of work and safety is driven by the operating company. On the other hand, for high added value operations, there are situations in which contractor companies have developed so much expertise on highly specialized tasks that they can almost dictate their conditions and safety rules to operating companies who need their services. These trends raise practical challenges for the way in which safety is organized on work sites or projects which involve multiple firms. For example, are there potential risks due to the coexistence of multiple safety models? There's a lot of talk of developing collaborative partnerships between cooperating firms and building relationships that are based on trust. For example, some countries and industry sectors have developed new procurement policies based on open book costing, or what they call cost-plus contracts. They require higher degrees of transparency concerning company operating costs. Do these approaches lead to safety benefits that are envisaged by their backers? The tension between safety specialists and legal specialists on multi-organization projects is another issue. There are safety benefits to writing safety rules that apply to all the people who work on a site or a project, but this has liability implications in case of an accident.